Welcome to this video. I will be talking about the FRP, and the FRP stands for Fiber Reinforced Polymer. And as you can see here in my hands, I have some samples of the FRP, and they are from different manufacturers. As you can see, they have different width, and also they have different thicknesses. What are the materials which are used to produce the FRP? As you can see here, we can use glass, and that the abbreviation will be GFRP. And what I have in my hands as carbon, that has the abbreviation CFRP. And what are the shapes of the CFRP? It can be rods, and the rods are mainly used in new buildings. And it can be strips, and the strips, as you can see here, they have different width and thickness. And it can be also in forms of wraps, and that here is the wrap. And every one of them, or every item of that, has its special use. As you can see in this picture here, we have in one of our project the strips which are used underneath of existing beam, and also it can be used also for slabs, underneath the slabs in special locations. And if you have columns, so you have to use the wraps, and the wraps, then you can wrap it around the column and provide the required reinforcing for the columns. What are the advantage of the using of the FRP? First of all, it is light, it is easy to install on existing building, it is non-corrosive, it's very thin, and which means that you can have the building without almost no headroom losses, which is very important for the existing building. And also they have the tensile strength ranges from 2 to 9 times of the mild steel, which means that you have a lot of strength in this tensile strength in this FRP strips. Who are the manufacturer for that? You have Sika, you have BASF, you have Mabe, you have Strong Ties, Simpson Strong Ties, and many more. How to install them? First of all, you have the resin, and the resin has most of the time two components, and that depends on the manufacturer. And here you can see I have two faces of the strips here, and one face will be assigned to apply the resin, and then the other face will be exposed, and then we have to apply adequate pressure to put the materials in place. And that's why we must use a certified applicator for the specific company. And what we have to consider here are many things. One is the end connection. The end connection of the FRP is very important, and you have different details for that. And also you have to provide fire protection, because that's one of the disadvantage of the FRP. And what else we have to consider? You can't mix the product from different companies. That's very important. You have to check for the warranty with the applicator or with your company. And at the end, you want to carry out the test. At the end, there are different products, so check the price, check the warranty, check your project schedule, and if you have any question, contact us. Thanks for watching.